Today we are going to learn how to connect Google AI Studio with Replit. You should know that there is no direct way to connect these two platforms, but there is another way you can try. Start by opening your project in Google AI Studio. In the top right corner, click on Save to GitHub. A pop-up will appear asking you to link your GitHub account to Google AI Studio. Click on the button to connect and sign into your GitHub account if needed. Then, authorize Google AI Studio to access your repositories. Once that is done, your project will be uploaded to GitHub automatically. You can check your GitHub account to make sure the files are there. Next, open Replit. On your dashboard, click on Import Code or Design. Then select GitHub. If Replit asks you to connect your GitHub account, click on Connect and authorize the connection. Once linked, Replit will show a list of your GitHub repositories. Find the repository you uploaded from Google AI Studio and select it. Replit will then import your project. This process may take a few seconds, depending on the size of your files. When the import is complete, your code will appear inside Replit, ready to edit and run. That's all you need to do. Even though Google AI Studio and Replit cannot connect directly, using GitHub makes it quick and simple. Thanks for watching.